Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll see how to connect Google Sheets with Pipedrive using Integrately. Now automatically send deals or data from Pipedrive straight into Google Sheets. First, head over to integrately.com, then log into your Integrately account. First, select Google Sheets as your trigger application. Next, search for and select Pipedrive as your second application. Now from the list of pre-built options, activate the automation that creates a Google Sheets row whenever a new Pipedrive deal is added. You'll then be prompted to connect your Pipedrive account. Next, connect your Google Sheets account and grant the necessary permissions. After authorizing your accounts, select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet you want to use for this automation. In the Automation Builder, map the data fields from Pipedrive to the corresponding columns in your Google Sheet. For example, you can map the Person ID field. Once everything is mapped, test the automation and then turn it on to make it live. You'll find the direct links to set up this automation in the description below. And that's it. We just learned how to connect Google Sheets with Pipedrive using Integrately. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description for more details.